In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect photos with Jotform. This process is straightforward and highly effective for gathering images from your audience, whether you're looking to create a survey or simply need images for a project. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Jotform. Once you're on Jotform's homepage, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up and it's completely free for basic use. Jotform is a powerful tool that allows you to create customized forms without much hassle. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Jotform Form Builder. This is the space where all the magic happens, allowing you to add various elements and widgets to your forms. In the Form Builder, your next step is to find the Add Form Element button. Click this, and under the Basic tab, locate the File Upload field. Drag this onto your form. This feature will permit users to upload files directly from their devices. Now, let's customize the File Upload field a bit. You can specify the types of files you're allowing by setting restrictions to image files only. This ensures that users only upload relevant files, such as photos. It's also important to define a maximum file size, preventing uploads that are too large and could clutter your storage space or slow down the form submission process. Once you've configured these settings, users will see a Choose File button on your form. This button allows them to browse and select images from their devices to upload. Alternatively, you might want users to take pictures on the go. Jotform has a handy solution for this. Back in the Form Builder, again, click on Add Form Element, but this time, navigate to the Widgets tab. Here, search for the Take Photo widget. Once found, you can drag and drop this widget onto your form, integrating it seamlessly. With the Take Photo widget, you can choose whether users should use the front or rear-facing camera on their devices. This is particularly useful if you want them to capture new photos rather than uploading ones previously taken. Now, when users are filling out your form, they can simply tap the camera icon that's part of this widget to snap a photo directly within the form. This feature provides a smooth and intuitive way for users to contribute images quickly and easily. Finally, once a photo is taken using the widget, it will automatically attach to the form submission, ensuring you receive the images promptly and in order. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to set up your Jotform to collect photos efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.